Before you post your next short on your channel, watch this. Do you know that posting shorts on your channel could potentially have negative side effects on your channel? In this video, I am going to be sharing with you ways that posting shorts could be negatively affecting your channel and what you can do better going forward. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela and I am the face behind this channel, and I am always happy to bring you content that will help you along your journey here on YouTube. So, how is posting shorts on your channel actually hurting your channel? The thing is that when you are posting shorts, your shorts attract a different type of audience to your channel. So those audience or subscribers that are coming through your shorts might not necessarily be interested in your long form content, especially if the type of video you post on your shorts are different from your long form video. So you are going to end up attracting different type of subscribers who have different interests entirely, which will later on affect your long form videos. And bear in mind that the 4,000 watch hours you are striving to get are going to be accumulated from your long form videos and your live stream. So now, if your major engagement and views are coming from your shorts, you are setting up yourself for failure. So another way that posting shorts on your channel could negatively impact your channel is low engagement on your long form video. Because now imagine a channel whereby all the subscribers are coming from the short. So those subscribers are interested in your short videos, in your 30 seconds video, in the type of content you share on your shorts. So they are not going to be interested in your long form video. So they are also not going to watch a long form video. They are not going to engage on it. And that leads me to the third thing that is going on when you are constantly posting shorts on your channel. So when your subscribers that are coming from your shorts are not engaging on your long form video, it's going to send a wrong signal so the YouTube's algorithm. So we know what they say. When your long form videos are not getting engagement, nobody is watching, nobody is commenting, nobody is sharing, it's going to come across to the YouTube algorithm as though nobody is interested in that type of content. So they will stop pushing it. This is why you see a lot of small channels today, they have more views on their shorts than they have on their long form video. Now, what inspired me to make this video was that somebody reached out and said that I have over 6,000 subscribers and yet I don't get up to 100 views on my long form videos, but my shorts are getting a lot of views. Okay, so what could be the mistake that happened here? Perhaps all those subscribers are coming from the shorts feed. Maybe all those subscribers are coming from his short. They subscribed to his channel because they loved his shorts. So they have no interest in the long form video. So we see how this is negatively impacting the long form video, which is actually the number one focus of every channel, especially if you want to get monetized fast. Remember that the 4,000 watch hours are not going to come from your shorts, rather they are coming from your long form videos and your live streams. So if you are someone who posts more shorts than long form video, you might want to start strategizing so that you don't set up your channel up for failure. Okay, so another negative impact that posting shorts have on your channel is they are going to kill your long form videos views. Yeah, you are not going to be getting views on your long form video, and you have to also acknowledge the fact that YouTube loves pushing your shorts more. Okay, they love to push your shorts more for people to watch than your long form video. So if you are a channel that, maybe in a week you can post up to 5 shorts, but you post your long form content maybe once in 2 weeks, so YouTube is just going to focus on your short and push that out more for people to start watching, and which is not what you are looking for. You are looking for your 4,000 watch hours, which you are not going to get from your shorts, except maybe your shorts are doing very well and you are able to get 10 million views in the space of 3 months and then 1,000 subscribers. If you are able to do that, maybe you can get monetized, right? But we know that getting all those millions of views is not that easy, especially within the space of 90 days. Okay, so if you want to grow your channel very well, you have to learn the right strategies to grow your channel. Posting only shorts or more shorts than long form video is not going to help you in any way. This is where you will see channels that have a lot of subscribers, 5,000 subscribers, and their long form videos are lacking views because their audience is coming from shorts, especially if you are posting different type of content on your short than from your long form content. Let me say, for example, in your long form content, you post about personal development and all that, and then in your shorts you are posting or sharing entertaining videos, funny comedic videos, and so you have all these subscribers coming in, subscribing to your channel, but yet nobody is paying attention to your long form video. So let's be mindful and really take care when it comes to posting shorts. If you are going to post shorts, here are a few tips I have for you and how you can post shorts effectively to also promote your long form videos while you are at it. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? If you have watched my video till this very moment and you find value in what I'm sharing, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share so that others can benefit from this video, because posting shorts is one big mistake a lot of new creators make when they are just starting up on YouTube. I can imagine why, because to create a short, a 1 minute video, a 30 seconds video is actually pretty easy than when you have to sit down and create a long form video that is up to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You have more editing work to do, you have a lot more to do. But before you start posting short, you should already be aware of the downside and also of the good side. Okay, then you make your decision. But my tip is to use shorts strategically to promote your long form content. Now, here are tips on best practices that you can start doing going forward. If you are someone who is very much in love in posting shorts, why don't you create a fresh channel and just focus only on posting shorts? Okay, that could be another way to post shorts and have a channel that is just based on posting shorts. That is one way. And another way is strategic use of shorts. So what do I mean with this? What should you be doing now? If you have a long form video and you want to post shorts, you can post shorts relating to your long form video topics, okay? And then you can link one of your long form videos and link it to your short, thereby promoting or advertising your long form videos with your short. So anyone that views your short and have interest in this type of topic will definitely go and look up your long form content. Now, another way to do this effectively, and which YouTube has already provided all these tools and all these, possibilities for creators to take advantage of, is when you go over video, under the video where you see the like and share buttons, you will see the remix option. Once you tap on that remix, you are going to have the option to edit into shorts. So what you're going to do is to tap on edit into shorts and follow the steps and just cut a few seconds of that video, maybe the highlights of that video, edit it and follow the steps and turn it into a short. So automatically anyone that is viewing that short clip on the short feed, they are going to tap on that video directly and then they are going to watch your long form video straight up. Okay, so that's another way to promote your long form video, and at the same time using the shorts video strategically for the benefit of your channel, rather than just posting randomly or on your short and posting things that has nothing to do with your niche or that has nothing to do with the type of content you would normally post on your long form content. So this is something that a lot of young creators are missing. This is a very big mistake that most of us made. Even myself, I made the same mistake when I was starting up. So they say experience is the best teacher. And as we, continue in this journey as a YouTube creator, we are learning and then we are also coming to share so that you that is just starting up will learn from our mistakes and grow faster. So basically, this is what I want to share in this video. So if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do that. And Also, of course, there are other ways that you can implement shorts in promoting your video, or and also another thing that you have to look out for when you are posting your shorts, make sure that they are engaging, yeah, eye-catchy, engaging, because it's just a few seconds of video. So make sure that you are also providing value in that short clip, especially when you are remixing from your long form video. You have to spark curiosity for your audience, for them to want to go ahead and watch the full video. So that's the way, or the best way, that you can combine shorts with your long form video without inviting the wrong audience to your channel and having your long form videos suffer and starve of views. Okay, because views are important on your long form videos, especially if you want to get your 4,000 watch hours. You cannot do without views. Even when you are monetized, you cannot do without views, because your views translates to the amount of money you would be making. So that's it from me today. Let me know in the comment section, how do you post your shorts? What are the strategies you are using? Did you know that posting shorts on your channel, when you do it the wrong way, could actually harm your channel? Did you know this before? Let's chat in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.